we'll discuss about polycystic ovarian syndrome or PCOS as it is popularly known, its complications and some of the easy methods through Ayurveda where it can be managed. PCOS hormonal imbalances और कुछ genetic tendencies की वजह से होता है. Until some time PCOD और PCOS को अलग conditions माने जाते थे. But ever since the role of insulin resistance was identified in these conditions, they came under one shadow and got to be known as PCOS. In a regular menstrual cycle, each of your ovaries will release ready to be fertilized egg into the uterine cavity. In PCOS, the ovaries either release immature or partially mature eggs which develop into cysts and cause the ovaries to enlarge. Androgen, the male hormone, is produced in excess, leading to symptoms like pattern hair loss or growth of body hair, abdominal weight gain, irregular periods and infertility in some extreme cases. ज़्यादा मेल हार्मोन्स की प्रोडक्शन की वजह से ओवरीज की फंक्शन डिसरप्ट हो जाती है और साथ में इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस भी क्रिएट करती है। PCOS से डायबिटीज, स्लीप एपनिया, हार्ट डिसीज और स्ट्रोक का भी रिस्क बढ़ जाता है। While there is no set cure for PCOS, the best way to manage it is by bringing in lifestyle changes like regular exercising, maintaining a healthy diet that includes avoiding junk food and having foods which are devoid of synthetic preservatives, artificial colors, chemicals, etc. and taking some Ayurveda herbs to fasten up the metabolism in order to relieve the symptoms and move towards treating the root cause. Weight loss and healthy lifestyle aids the treatment process along with keeping diabetes under control, preventing acne and other skin problems. It even reduces the chances of endometrial carcinoma. Conceiving during PCOS is generally not an issue, but in 20% of the cases, fertility enhancement treatments are required. Timely diagnosis of PCOS will help resolve the condition with ease. If you are suffering from PCOS and want to adopt a more natural way, you can consult our panel of specialist Ayurveda doctors and get a personalized regime which will help not only in addressing the issue but will also enhance your overall health and not get the side effects along. If you found the video helpful, please do click on the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit on bell icon for more such updates.